Salt Pregnancy Test Step-by-Step Guide. In this video, we will talk about expecting a baby is one of the greatest joys in life. But before the journey of pregnancy begins, couples often spend a lot of time trying and preparing. While a missed period is a common sign, sometimes excitement leads to early pregnancy tests. Luckily, there are some alternative ways to test for pregnancy at home. Homemade pregnancy tests have been passed down through generations. These tests use household items like salt, sugar, bleach, toothpaste, and soap to detect pregnancy. What is a pregnancy test using salt? The salt pregnancy test is one of the oldest home pregnancy tests. It involves mixing salt with urine, believing salt reacts with the hCG hormone produced after embryo implantation. When should you do the salt pregnancy test? Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Continue watching. For best results, do the salt test on the 5th day after ovulation using the first urine of the morning. Morning urine has the highest concentration of hCG. How to perform the salt pregnancy test. Step 1. Collect your first urine of the day into a transparent container. Step 2. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt to the urine. Step 3. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. How to interpret the results. Positive result. Curdling or foam formation is considered a sign of pregnancy. Negative result. No change means no pregnancy. How reliable is the salt pregnancy test? Though it might be fun, it's important to know that this test isn't scientifically proven. For accuracy, stick to store-bought pregnancy tests or consult your doctor. Alternative ways to test for pregnancy at home. 1. Store-bought pregnancy kits. Commercial kits are designed to detect hCG reliably and come with easy-to-read results. They're still the most recommended way to test at home. 2. Pregnancy test apps. Some apps are designed to work with commercial pregnancy tests. You take a photo of your test, and the app helps interpret the result for clearer accuracy. 3. Basal body temperature (BBT) tracking. Tracking your basal body temperature daily can help you spot early signs of pregnancy. If your temperature stays elevated after ovulation, it might suggest pregnancy. When to consult a doctor. If your period is late for 2 months and you're still testing negative at home, it's time to see a doctor. While DWAY tests can be a fun way to pass the time, they're not scientifically reliable. Stick to a reliable pregnancy test or consult a doctor for the most accurate results.